Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given nice math exponential problem. 25 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 250. Can you solve this? I want you to give your answer in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 25 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 250. Note 25 is equal to 5 square. Then this can be written as we have 5 square to the power of s plus 1 is equal to 250. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power mn. Then here we have 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by x, 2x plus 2 multiplied by 1, 2 is equal to 250. This can be written as if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then here we have 5 raised to power 2x multiplied by 5 square is equal to 250. 250 is equal to 2 multiplied by 125. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 3. Then we have 5 raised to power 2x multiplied by 5 square is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 3. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by 5 square. This divided by 5 square and this divided by 5 square. This cancel this. Then we have 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by, this is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 over 5 square is 5 multiplied by 5. This cancel this, and this 5 cancel this 5. 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 5 raised to power 2x is equal to log 2 multiplied by 5. Then if you have log a raised to power b, this is equal to b log a. And if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Here we have 2x log 5 is equal to log 2 plus log 5. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 5. This divided by log 5 and this divided by log 5. This log 5 cancel this log 5. 2x is equal to, we can split this, we have log 2 over log 5 plus log 5 over log 5. This log 5 cancel this log 5. 2x is equal to log 2 over log 5 plus 1. Now, if you have log a over log b, which is equal to log a base b, then we have 2x is equal to 1 plus log 2 base 5. But we are looking for the value of s. Let us divide the whole of this equation by 2. Then we have s will be equal to 1 plus log 2 base 5 over 2. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's quickly check. To check, we have the given equation 25 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 250. 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 10. Then we have 5 raised to power 2 bracket s is 1 plus log 2 base 5 all over 2 must be equal to 10. To make it easier, this cancel this. We have 5 raised to power 1 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 must be equal to 10. If you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then 5 raised to power 1 is 5 multiplied by the whole of this is 2 must be equal to 10. 5 times 2, this is 10, is equal to 10, which is true. Let us solve this problem using another method called the method of natural logarithm. We have the given equation 25 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 250. This is the same thing as 5 raised to power 2s is equal to 10. Let us take the natural log of both sides of this equation. We have ln of 5 raised to power 2s is equal to ln of 10. Then this is 2s ln of 5 is equal to this ln of 10. Ln of 10 can be written as ln of 2 multiplied by 5. And 2s ln of 5 is equal to ln of 2 multiplied by ln of 5. Let's divide the whole of this equation by ln of 5. This divided by ln of 5. This cancel this. 2s is equal to ln of 2 over ln of 5 plus ln of 5 over ln of 5. This cancel this. 2s is equal to 1 plus ln of 2 over ln of 5. Then if you want to divide the whole of this equation by 2 in order to get the value of x, this cancel this. S will be equal to 1 plus ln of 2 over ln of 5 all over 2. This is the value of x if you want to leave your answer in natural logarithm form. But in case you want to use your calculator, s will be equal to 1 plus ln of 2 over ln of 5. That will be 0.4307. Then over 2. S is equal to 1 plus 0.4307. That is 1.4307 over 2. Then S is equal to 0.71535. This is the value of S if you want to use your calculator. Now let us check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation 25 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 250. Then this is 25 raised to power 0.71535 plus 1. must be equal to 250. Here we have 25 raised to power 1.71535 must be equal to 250. Then 25 raised to power 1.71535. This is 250.00 is equal to 250, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.